When I was a kid, we used to go to Long Beach Island all the time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like up and down, you know, so I'm a little, I don't know, maybe nostalgic for that, but yeah, Ocean City's awesome. Hi.
Hey.
I was ready for more of the story,
We were just like, okay.
I didn't realize
Keep
how that
going.
compelling.
Tell us more.
Okay, all right. Hey, I'll tell you what, let me take you outside and show you what's going on outside. Here's what it looks like. We got the clouds. Things have been fairly quiet, at least the last couple of hours, which is great, because we had the storms earlier prompting those flash flood warnings, which, by the way, are still intact for you folks in Chester and Berks, which we talked about earlier. Temperatures, the good thing about the rain is it kept our temperatures down, or at least cooled us off. We're in 70s and low 80s right now. That's a sticky low 70s and 80s around the region, but nonetheless, it's much cooler than it has been. So we're dry around the city at this hour. I widened this out across the whole region. We have a few showers that are rolling down the shore, Cape May County, moving out of Cumberland. We're watching, though, a few showers off to the west, most notably this one near Harrisburg. It does have some lightning. Certainly has some flooding rain. It's moving very slowly, so you guys in Lancaster County, we may see that in the next hour. So this is brand new Futurecast data. It's doing a good job on handling those storms out west. It's a little overdone what's going on here in South Jersey, but we're going to use it as we go into the evening to show you that by the time we get to, say, 9, 10 o'clock at night, things do calm down. It stays very sticky. It stays very warm, and some areas of morning fog tomorrow. But if you want to get something done outside, there's tons of dry time tomorrow. Notably in the morning. The morning should be dry all the way through noon. We're not expecting any rainfall, much like today, region-wide, Poconos down to the shore. But by the afternoon, much like today, pop-up showers and storms. I would say a little less coverage, generally speaking, but still, they're going to be around. If you hear the thunder, close enough to be struck by lightning, we're in the general thunderstorms category from the Storm Prediction Center, meaning severe weather's unlikely. Heavy rain, lightning, those are going to be our biggest threats for our day tomorrow, and then a lot of that dies down again by your Saturday evening. Let's talk Sunday. Looking at the 2 days, Sunday is the more active of the 2 days. We start out with some clouds. Once again, dry generally in the morning hours, but we're going to be tracking a line of some storms rolling on through. So the time frame I'm going to give you on Sunday is noon through probably 9 p.m. First from the west to the east, not necessarily pop-up storms. We should be tracking a line of storms that rolls across the area. This is a look at 2:30. So Lehigh Valley, Poconos, approaching the Philadelphia area, but not quite in Philly. We're looking more like 3 and 4 o'clock in the afternoon, certainly by 5. And then you can see how this moves across South Jersey, 6, 7 o'clock. I mentioned the 9 o'clock time frame. The newest run here kind of keeps it out. Maybe a lingering storm past that. But Sunday is a more active day. Flooding rain going to be a potential. I mean, look at these numbers. We could see anywhere between 1 to 3 inches of rain in spots, just depending on where those storms line out. So 88 on Saturday. Because of that, Sunday should be a little bit cooler at 83 degrees. But if you're planning something this weekend, Saturday looks to be a better day to do that. Both days very sticky. And we are calling a next weather alert because in addition to the rain and the storms, we could see some gusty winds out of that as well. Guys, we'll send it over to you.
Thank you, sir.